In this video, we will be talking about coding versus editing, which one is best for you with respect to the current situation in 2026. If you are a college student who is stuck between in these two fields, then this video might help you to take the right decision for your career. First, let's understand the current market situation of coding and editing. The coding market is saturated. Thousands of students are enrolling in colleges just to take that coding job, but due to advancement in AI, the coding jobs are decreasing. So it means there is a very tough competition for this job. Also, companies are firing employees. Recently, Oracle has fired 30,000 employees.
Oracle has laid off nearly 30,000 employees.
इट्स लाइक कि रात में तुम सोए, सुबह तुमको मेल लगा कि तुम जॉब से निकाल दिए गए. सो ओवरऑल द कोडिंग मार्केट इज सैचुरेटेड. देयर इज अ वेरी टफ कंपटीशन एंड जॉब सिक्योरिटी इज स्टिल अ क्वेश्चन. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द वीडियो एडिटिंग मार्केट. करंटली द वीडियो एडिटिंग मार्केट इज ग्रोइंग एंड heading toward its peak. There are hundreds of editors available in the market, but most of them are average skilled editor. And we are in the creator economy phase where everyone is creating content, whether it's founder, companies, individual creators, everyone needs a personal brand in 2026 and creating content, and they need editors. And in market there are average editors, not high skilled editor. So there is a gap in the market, and it takes only 3 to 4 months to become a high skilled editor and start earning in this market. But if you want a job in coding market, then you have to invest 6 to 12 months of preparation to become skilled enough so that you can get a job. So we have understood the situation of coding market and editing market. Also, in the end of the video, I will be sharing my personal advice for you that what you should choose according to me. Now let's understand the different career paths in these two markets. So both of them have two options, freelancing and job. So if you choose coding job, then there will be stable income and job security and a high salary package, but high competition. Coding freelancing is highly unstable. 1 month you might get too much projects and earn way much more than your traditional coding job, but in the other months you can get 0 projects and earn nothing. So there is a very high risk. You can go for it if you have financial backup and you can take that risk, and there is a no upper limit of your income. You can do as many projects as you want and you can earn way much higher than the coding job. Now let's talk about editing job. I would personally don't recommend you to do this job because in India the paycheck is very less than foreign paycheck. If you are doing job in India, then your paycheck would be around 30,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees depending upon your skill and your experience. If you are a beginner, then your salary would be 30,000 to 45,000 at max plus on-site job. So this is the condition of editing job. Now let's move to the video editing freelancing. Freelancing means uncertainty, very high risk, but benefit is there is no upper limit of your income. If you are very good at your skill, then you can earn way much higher than any job, but you have to take that risk. And there is one more benefit of doing freelancing, that you can scale it into an agency. First you work as a freelancer, gain money, gain clients, then you can scale up it to an agency when you are having a much higher workload. This is the future side of it. You can get into this, but it is not necessary that you will get into this, because firstly you have to get a client. It might take 1 month, 2 months, 1 week depending upon your capabilities. So in video editing freelancing there is a much scope of getting high amount of money in short span of time, and you can continue to earn that amount of money every month. The only condition is you have to be very good at your skill, plus you are able to get foreign clients. To get foreign clients, I have already uploaded the videos and you can search on YouTube, and if you want I can explain it again. That's a different side of the story. Now let's arrange these 4 type of paths so that you can choose a right path for you. I am arranging these paths based on the risk and amount of money that you can get in this field. So on the top there will be coding freelancing. Number 2 is editing freelancing. The coding as a skill is much more value than editing skill currently. In future might be replaced or get equal, but currently coding as a skill is much higher than editing as a skill. So coding freelancing will be on top, then editing freelancing, which will be greater than coding job. Coding job is stable, very much high income than editing job, because editing job is the least option that you should select. इसके अंदर पैसा भी नहीं है और फिर आपकी मारी भी जाएगी, क्योंकि जो वर्कलोड मिलता है वो बहुत ज्यादा मिलता है इंडियन एडिटिंग जॉब में. आई वुड नॉट रिकमेंड यू टू डू दैट अनलेस अंटिल यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग एंड वांट टू अर्न मनी. खाने को पैसे नहीं है, घर वालों ने भगा दिया, एडिटिंग जॉब कर लो, 2-3 महीने में सीख के पेट भरने लायक कमा लोगे. कोडिंग जॉब बेस्ट ऑप्शन है, पर लेकिन बहुत टफ कंपटीशन है और इसके अंदर ले ऑफ्स भी हो रहे हैं, जॉब सिक्योरिटी अब कम हो चुकी है थोड़ी बहुत. नाउ माय पर्सनल एडवाइस वुड बी, इफ यू आर अ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हु नोज बोथ कोडिंग एंड एडिटिंग equally, you are very skilled enough in both of the fields, then I would recommend you to sit in your campus placements and and get a coding job and do this coding job in your daytime, and in night switch to freelancing, editing freelancing, and look up for foreign editing clients. Indian clients के साथ ट्राई करना कि काम ना करो तुम, क्योंकि तुम already you are earning money from coding job. You can have patience and hunt for foreign clients and then work with them. Now when you have started earning from editing and you have 2-3 clients who are paying worth more than your coding job, then I would suggest you to call off your coding job, exit from it, and scale your editing into an editing agency, so you have a good backup plan for your both of the. If you are failing in freelancing, you have coding job. If your coding company fires you, you have freelancing work, so you are good to go. And what I am doing currently is I have only learned editing skill, so I have two options, either editing job or freelancing. So I am choosing freelancing and searching for foreign clients, or I have already one client who knows what is the reality. So I am doing good. But if I knew the coding skill, then I would be following that strategy that I have shared with you. So I hope everything is clear to you, and if you have any other doubts, you can ask me in comment section, and you can subscribe to this channel, because in future I will be sharing more personal experiences and insights so that you can grow as a college student and do well in your life. Thanks for watching the video.